Hello, this is Christy from Christy's Classy Clips, and we're going to talk about our dry shampoo. You can find this on my site. I have gotten very good reviews on this, so I'll kind of just read things from the bottle here for you. It is 3 ounces. This is the biggest size that we have. If you really love this, definitely go check out the gift sets and also the set where you can buy 3 of these and save a couple dollars that way. And it is made with natural clay. It adds volume and refreshes your hair. And there's no parabens, sulfates, or sodium chloride. It is good for colored hair, normal hair. It's safe using a straightener, and it's thermal protectant. So it's not going to have any issues with your hair if you color it. You don't have to worry about that. And when you're using it, you shake this first, and then you'll apply it to your dry hair as needed. Kind of in between your regular washings. You just need a few sprays all over the head, and then you use your fingertips to massage it throughout your hair. On longer hair, you'll want to flip your head upside down so you can spray it through that back of your head and massage it in and make sure you're getting all the areas. And it is, like I said, it's safe for colored, straightened, and chemically treated hair. So good for all hair types and extensions. If you want to check this out, go on my site. It's under the Essentials tab, and have a good day.